Hey YouTube, I just wanted to come on here and do a how-to, or how I do my acrylic nails. Really quick and easy, cheap products. I just refuse to spend $60 to $100 on getting something done that's going to be either cracked or broken within the next couple of weeks. So what I have here is, I purchased these from wish.com. I'll have the link below. They did have different options. They had the white ones, the clear ones, or the nude ones. I went ahead and went with the clear ones just because I like to polish my own nails. I can take off the polish with the remover if I decided I needed a different color the next day or whatnot. I'm going to go ahead and go with this color today. If I can get in focus here. This is, let's see what color this is. Not sure. Let's see. What color is that? Twisted Affair. Ooh. Super cute. I like it because it's, you can darken it, get it as dark or as light as you want it. I also have a clear coat that I'm going to put on afterwards. Just the basic Wet n Wild. I normally use nail glue. I couldn't find any, so I'm going to go ahead and just do the super glue, dollar store. Have some cotton swabs to take the oil off my current nails. Clippers to clip whatever nails need be. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this, just to get all the oils off before I glue them on. go ahead and polish them. $2, and like I said, I'm gonna link the information down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry, and then I will put a top coat on there and we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead, they did dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the clear. I do have different ones. I have like the rapid dry, but I feel like they dry the same just because I put like a really light layer on them, but we're gonna go ahead and use this one. So I purchased this nail matrix from Sally Beauty Supplies. I want to say, I don't know, maybe 3 years ago. And I've only used, oh my goodness, I'm not in focus. Okay. I've only used just a little bit of it, but it has helped tremendously with my cuticles because I have really bad cuticles. And it also says it's an instant polish dryer. So I normally put a coat of this and kind of like rub it in my nails and let it dry. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And it does smell delicious. It smells like, I don't know, cherries or whatnot. So let's do that. Let's put a little coat. And I'm probably going to trim them up because I feel like they are too long for me. So here they are. I think they're so cute. And I mean, I can always trim them up and change the color. I might end up changing the color to this because I wanted it a little bit more lighter. But let's see if I can see what color it is. More of like a natural color, I guess you could say. But yep, there you go. Super cute. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel.